court already knows, I was disbarred for committing perjury.
There you go, Your Honors. Now she's a confessed liar. Case closed.
Your Honors, if Mr. Byrne refuses to restrain himself, perhaps we should adjourn until we can find someone more dispassionate to substitute
Mr.
him.
Byrne? Will that be necessary?
No, Your Honors. Apologies.
It is true that I was under oath when I denied having sexual relations with Dr. Neil Byrne, but that oath was administered in a medical board hearing, not in a court of law.
A distinction without a difference, Your Honor.
No, it's a big difference if you ever ended up in a lawyer's office when you should have seen a doctor. I was notified that I was accused of perjury by affidavit. I never even saw the actual document itself, and instead the Bar Association met without my being present. And it just so happens that Mr. Byrne was a member of that panel.
Mr. Byrne?
It's true, Your Honor. I was a member of that panel, but when Miss Davis's case came up for adjudication, I recused myself.
And his place was taken by his law partner.
He has an impeccable reputation. How dare you impugn his integrity?
I did not impugn his integrity.
I would hope not. Unlike you, he has a sterling reputation.
And now you're impugning my reputation.
Your Honors, I'm sorry, but I, for one, don't need to listen to Mr. Byrne wax poetic about his law partner's curriculum vitae. I'm assuming he's brilliant. Otherwise, Mr. Byrne would not have offered him employment in the first place.
I agree. Let's move on.
I would love to. That is, if it's all right with Mr. Byrne. Simply put, I don't think that I was given a fair hearing. Not that Mr. Byrne's law partner had anything to do with it, but I didn't even know the name of my accuser.
Mr. Byrne?
I submitted the accusation.
And?
Ms. Davis never requested the name of her accuser.
Well, I'm requesting it now.
Surely Your Honors can see that Miss Davis is attempting to turn this hearing into a personal vendetta.
You're the one who tried to avenge your brother by getting me disbarred, so I think vendettas might be your area of expertise.
I didn't need to do anything, Counselor. If there was any damage done, it was self-inflicted.
I have made my share of mistakes, but I've taken responsibility for them, and I'm taking responsibility for them right here and right now. You, on the other hand, let other people do your dirty work for you. I have a right to face my accuser.
Apparently, my colleague can't tell the difference between an appeals hearing and a criminal trial.
Your Honor. He says this hearing is about justice, not a vendetta. So let's let him prove that by telling me the name of my accuser, please.